Hi and welcome to evalink Tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to create an initial, simple workflow in evalink Talos. The term workflow is used to define actions that are triggered after receiving an alarm. Workflows can either automate the processing of alarms or support you in the manual processing of incoming alarms. Instructions can be stored in a workflow, which must be processed in the event of an appropriate alarm. Workflows also help to execute automated work steps. Let's start with the creation of our workflow now. Navigate to Sites from the menu. Pick a specific site. Select the tab Workflows. Click on the plus button in the middle of your screen. Name your workflow and hit Submit. Now, enter conditions that an alarm must meet to be applied for this workflow. The conditions will determine which workflow should be used for a given alarm. For this tutorial's purpose, we'll create a basic workflow with simple steps and call it Burglary Alarm BA. Click on Add Condition in the When All Of section and select Alarm Code Is. At Alarm Code Is, enter the alarm code Burglary Alarm BA. Add a fast action in your workflow. Hover next to Incoming Alarm and click on the plus button. We want to call someone when the burglary alarm triggers. For this, select Manual Decision, Call Someone. From the Right Options panel, manually add a contact or pick one from your contact or role lists. Add as many steps as required according to your process by clicking on the plus button drop-down until you close the workflow. Save the workflow by clicking on the blue Save disk. Note that you can add multiple workflows per site. To do this, go to the tab Workflow and click on the plus button. You can also create workflows on global level, which apply to multiple sites to keep maintenance low. And that's it. You can now create a first simple workflow in evalink Talos. Head to evalink.io/getstarted and make sure to watch more video tutorials we have crafted for you that show you how evalink Talos works. To further learn how to use the features in evalink Talos, we recommend you watch next How to Create a Test Alarm in evalink Talos.